Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the homestead. Two brothers outdoors. We gonna put a toe board under this, or
I want to go up under the rail there.
okay?
I want you to slip up enough to try to move forward.
You're on.
On?
Yep.
We can put a toe board on there if you think.
I'm not sure. Let's stick one on there. Just to I don't know. Nah, let's not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to start the project tonight. We're going to be cutting siding for the sawmill buildings, both of them. We're going to cut 1/2-inch thick siding. We haven't tried this yet, but we'll see how it works out. We don't need real heavy siding for the sawmill.
These naughty suckers.
All right, nice knotty pine, or hemlock actually. We got it out of here Saturday. I do think you need to roll it a little bit more. And it looks like it's sticking up a little bit. Maybe not.
It's on it.
Well, see what you think. You're the sawyer. Tim's the sawyer. Tim is our sawyer tonight. He'll be making the decisions. Yeah, we don't need to go up too high, I don't think. All right, we're going to get this side over here too.
Yeah.
All right. I wouldn't go up too high. Yeah, get your knee settled in there, because you're under a branch right now. I don't know who limbed this log. Didn't do a very good job. Yeah, locker. All right, guys. We're going to get started here in just a second. We're going to get this dog down, and we'll show you how we're going to cut 1/2-inch thick siding for the sawmills. Hello, Don from Bucktails Outdoors over in New Hampshire. Just wondering, is this Chugga? All right, tell you what, I don't want to tell you what to do, but let's go ahead and get a flat spot on it first.
Give me a little bit.
This way?
Yeah.
You're on.
Must be something on the...
You probably got a limb stuck against the...
Up underneath.
Yeah, just tighten it down the best you can. We'll get a little flat spot on it, see what we have. And then we'll, that's good. If we have to toe board it, we'll toe board it and make a second cut.
You want to take the toe board out?
No. Go ahead and see if we get a flat spot on it, see what we got. We want to make this as wide as we can. If it's 9 inches wide, great. If it's 8 inches wide, it's all right, whatever. Get whatever we can out of it, okay? Okay.
You cut off 2 inches. You got a sledgehammer?
For what?
You driving this up.
You gotta take the dog loose. I cut that limb out of there. Ready?
Oh, hold on.
I think right about there, because you're splitting the difference.
A little more?
You're splitting the difference right now, I think.
That's 11 inches on the back on the front side.
We can go up a little more. It's up to you. You're the sawyer. If you go up too high, you're not split.
We can get a flat spot on there. We can go there.
Yeah.
We won't be wasting too much. Yeah. How about this go too? Did you leave well?
No. No, you're good. All right, so we're having a little bit of problems here. We got a lot of knots on it. We didn't dress the log very well. I had to cut a couple knots off the back. All right, so we toe boarded up about 2 inches. We'll see what happens here. Trying to get as wide as we can out of it. All right, here we go. just resharpened that blade on his Woodland Mills blade sharpener. That does a pretty good job. I think we toe boarded it just about perfect. I think that came out just about perfect, Tim.
Like that, or?
No. Let's get a flat. Let's get 2 flats on it. See what we got. Yeah. I think we're gonna have to trim a few of these knots.
Let's get my boy.
Slide it over. Still got one big knot right there. All right, let's just cut that off with a chainsaw. He just had to retighten his blade, retension his blade, and the reason he has to do that is because the tire underneath the drive pulley on the blade is also the drive belt for the engine, and that gets hot and the blade squashes it down and the blade loosens up. Typical on the mills that's got the drive belt under the blade. Okay, so we'll just lay it over here on the side. Want to put it right in the snow? All right, we're going to stand it up now. I thought you had 3. Yeah, we got 3. There's 3. All right, we'll put this board away here. That acted as our knee. Roll it backwards. Okay, ready? It's all right. Let's get this end tightened and then I'm going to pick it up on the other. Now this is the point that you don't want to over tighten this dog because this bar will bend and it won't be square. Let's put the toe board under this side. All right, while he's figuring that out, I'm going to take a break. Okay, so we need to split the difference between 9 and 11. That's going to be about 10. Once you set your blade at 10, okay, lock her down.
Right on the edge of this lane. You think that's fine?
That's fine.
Ready?
Gotta lock it down. Okay, everything's looking good. Go get a flat spot on it and roll it again. Alright, that one got cut a little too thick. Problem is, we're not going to be able to do anything with it unless he wants to do a one by. See what I got here. There we go.
Sure.
Got it. Under normal conditions, one that we cut too wide like this, we would make it into a one by, but it's only about 4 feet that is too thick. We could get another 1/2 inch piece out of it, but we can't cut 1/2 inch increments when you get too close to the bottom of the mill and only go down to 1 inch. So we're stuck throwing that piece on the firewood pile. All right, so we're going to roll this over, put the flat side down, and get started on cutting our siding. This log came from the top of a tree. A lot of knots on it, but it don't look too bad. Nice and solid. The knots are solid. There's no black knots, so I'm thinking we're going to make some good siding out of this one. It's going to be 8 inches wide. Okay, so he's going to make his first cut at 8 inches, and then he's going to go down 1/2 inch increments at a time from that. What we're going to end up with is siding that's this thin. Going to make it like shiplap. I think it'll work out great. Okay, we're hoping we get enough cuts out of this one where we can use it to do the end of the mill. If we can do that, that'll work out fantastic. So I just asked him if he thought that was going to be thick enough, and he responded with, well, it's thicker than the tarps. He's got a point. Okay, so I figured up you're going to need like 8 pieces to do your end.
Yeah.
I think you got more than 8 pieces here.
You think?
And you got a 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, well, take away this one with a wane. You got 12. So you got 12 pieces. So you'll have enough to do the door. Plus you got a 1 by, which you can use for the bottom.
I was going to say for the bottom or for
the bottom frame, yeah, or the uprights. You can even split it on the. It's 1 by 8, so you can split that into like 2.5 inch wide pieces for your framing. I think that's going to work out great. Okay, so we got 13 pieces out of that, 12 pieces without weighing. So he'll be able to do the end of the sawmill. Get his hard side done on the end, and then we'll do the back wall, and then he's going to do part of the front wall here to make it level, and then we'll put tarps on it in the winter time that we can roll up, so we can roll them up when we're working or roll them down if it's too cold and we're working. So the Patriots seem to do a pretty good job tonight.
Oh, absolutely.
So we got this cutting good finally.
Yeah.
The blades seem to be doing okay. That's when you're resharpening on the Woodland Mills sharpener.
Yes.
You like that so far?
Oh, absolutely. This is the first sharpener on this blade, but my golly, you see how it's cutting. It's just like butter.
Yeah, and there's no whoopties at all. Boy, something this knotty when you first got this mill, it would look like the waves.
Like a roller coaster, wouldn't it?
So it's cutting good. Good night.
Say hi, Miss Allie. Hello.
All right, guys.
My channel. Miss Allie wants you to subscribe.
It is dinner time. We're going to wrap this one up for tonight. We got 3 more logs ready to go on the mill over here. And I think we're going to be able to get all your siding out of what you already got here. If not, we got a few more 8-footers up in the woods.
Well, how about all those logs we got at your place?
Yeah, I got a lot of 12-footers. I gotta have 10-foot though for my sides. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up. We appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. We're pushing that 5,000 mark, guys. We can do it. Yep. And our watch hours are finally climbing.
Oh my gosh, thank you guys. Appreciate
our watch hours are getting up there. We only got a few more to go, and we're there. Yep. We are at our goal. Yep. So you guys watching our playlists and playing our videos in full, you're really helping out. Absolutely. And we really appreciate it.
And we're hoping we're giving you good content too. I mean, we're working hard so everybody can be entertained by what we're putting out there.
I'm giving you good content. He's the entertainment. Drives me nuts sometimes. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Got us out of here.
Lumberjack out.